palm nailers are becoming increasingly popular both at home and in professional carpentry workshops. They offer superior accuracy and control over the nailing process in tight spots that no other power nailer can rival. They're more convenient and can save you a lot of time and frustration. Without further ado, here is our review of some of the best palm nailers available on the internet today. Number 1. Bostitch PN100K. This is actually more than a palm nailer, it's a great kit from Bostitch that includes almost everything you need to get started right out of the box. The PN100 palm nailer is the star here, capable of driving nails of various lengths of up to 5 inches in both sequential and contact mode. It's a perfect choice for anyone working in small spaces. It comes with 3 hardened steel magnetic noses of different sizes, lubricant oil, an Allen wrench, and even includes a carry case. If your first time working with a palm nailer, this kit is an excellent first purchase. The PN100K operates with a comfortable 70 to 100 psi, and most average grade air compressors can provide that without breaking a sweat. What we like the most about this unit is its ability to perform both sequential and contact mode firing. All you need to do is flick the trigger switch to change mode. If you like this palm nailer, check the price in the description. Number 2. Senko PC0781. This palm nailer from Senko is a no-frills palm nailer that's lightweight, easy to use, and built to last. This 2.5-pound nailer features a magnetic nail guide for quicker and easier driving. And the leather grip minimizes fatigue, so you take fewer breaks and get the job done faster. You can use this tool with any portable air compressor that can produce an operating pressure of 50 psi to 125 psi. It's affordable, so you can get your hands on a quality tool without spending a fortune. If you like this palm nailer, check the price in the description. Number 3. Bostitch PN50. Bostitch engineered a 360-degree air swivel in this model, which makes it much more maneuverable. Coupled with the 1-pound weight, this model is a pleasure to work with, especially in very tight areas and awkward positions. Best, the front air exhaust keeps oil and debris from spilling on your nailing area, which is a big plus. Having a rubberized exterior with some user-friendly features, this one comes with sufficient safety and comfort. If you're working in a confined space or need a palm nailer to use for metal connectors or joist hangers, it doesn't get any better than the PN50. If you like this palm nailer, check the price in the description. Number 4. Freeman Pneumatic Mini Palm Nailer. The Freeman nailer is one of the smallest, most affordable, and most compact palm nailer in the review. It measures a puny 2.75 x 5 by 4.37 inches and weighs only 1.23 pounds. It is incredibly lightweight. While it only works with nails up to 3.5 inches in length, that will be enough for most people's needs, unless you're a contractor working on heavy construction. It's great for home use because it doesn't require a huge compressor to operate. If you're just looking to do a couple of projects at home, it will be hard to find a palm nailer completely up to the task, as this one is, for the same price. If you like this palm nailer, check the price in the description. These are our top 4 picks for the best palm nailer. The right one for you will depend on your budget and your needs. For more information about the prices, you can check the links in the description.